After starting the 2018 PBA Governors Cup with back-to-back losses, the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters have decided to let go of import J'Nathan Bullock. The development was first reported by ESPN5. Bullock will be replaced by Terrence Watson, the San Miguel Beermen's import in the 2017 Governors Cup. The braid-donning Bullock's last game was last September 26, which was a 76-92 loss to the Magnolia Hotshots. There, he only had 15 points on 6 of 18 shooting and 10 rebounds. In the E-Painters' 0-2 start, he averaged 19 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists. On the other hand, Watson has arrived in the country Monday morning, as per the report. The 6'5" guard forward put of Detroit, Michigan is coming off a stint with Maccabi Ashdod B.C. in Israel. Watson, the Beermen's third import in the season-ending conference last year, led San Miguel to the Governors Cup quarterfinals. They lost to eventual two-time champions Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Watson is expected to debut this Wednesday, October 3, as Rain or Shine go up against the Alaska Aces.